Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to withdraw your BNB from Bitmart to Crypto.com in 2025, you've come to the right place. This process is straightforward, but as with any crypto transaction, it's crucial to double-check everything to keep your funds safe. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, I'll walk you through each step clearly and quickly. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Crypto.com. You'll need to have BNB in your Bitmart wallet and the exact wallet address from Crypto.com ready. Start by logging into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. It's usually in the main dashboard. Next, select BNB from your list of assets. Look for the Withdraw button. It might be right there or under a menu option. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. This is where you paste your Crypto.com wallet address. Double check that it's correct. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so a typo could mean losing your BNB forever. Now, enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, especially if you're using the BNB Smart Chain, so factor that into your total. After that, you'll need to confirm your identity through two-factor authentication, 2FA, or any security measures Bitmart has in place for 2025. Things like biometric verification could be standard by then. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm Withdrawal button. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Crypto.com account to see when the BNB arrives. A quick tip. Always withdraw to a test amount first if you're unsure, and never share your private keys. By 2025, make sure your apps are updated for the latest security features. That's it. You've successfully moved your BNB. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.